If you're watching, this was made specifically for you. We sent this over because I personally looked over your online presence and we wanted to show you something worth your next 90 seconds, whether we ever work together or not. To protect everyone's time, I'm using a demo site outside of our region as well as a demo keyword. It's a law firm far enough away they won't mind us borrowing their page for this, and everything I'm about to show you is completely public information anyways. So the keyword that we are looking over is informational, it is commercial, and it's transactional. And so the keyword difficulty on Ahrefs is showing 22 and a strong showcasing in velocity on a month-to-month basis. Now, for a keyword like this, we know that each one of these potential searches could be worth thousands of dollars. And so for any of these that convert, it has a potential of what they're evaluating of 5.3 thousand per month. And this is only for this one specific keyword, not any of the keywords underneath it. Now, there's a ton of keyword ideas in the section below, as well as some position history from the SERP results or the search engine ranking pages that Google displays when you look this keyword up specifically on Google. And so this is what we're going to dive into. We're looking over what this looks like on the Google Maps or Google Business Profile pages. Now, we wanted to find one that was on the third page so that we can dissect why it wasn't getting the brownie points that the rest of them on the first page were. And so we chose this listing here. And so we're going to go ahead and move over to their page. Now, this is their homepage. We see at a glance that within the hero, it's not specifically highlighting the target service plus area or region that they want to rank for. And so that is hurting their overall rankings. Now, we can see this verified when we use the Ahrefs tool to view their content. We can tell that the first keyword on the page is not specific to the keyword they want to rank for. And so even though the practice areas is a good way to showcase your services, you also want to make sure that each one of these service pages that you're pushing people over to has a target keyword that it's looking to rank on Google for. If we look at this page, with our target or original keyword being Michigan DUI lawyer, I would expect this services page to be something around defense lawyer Michigan or DUI lawyer Michigan, felony lawyer Michigan. However, when we look up the keyword or the contents structuring for this page, those keywords are not available in any of the H1s or immediate H2s on this page. Most of the specific services that are included as H4s, which should have been moved up to H2s because of the important role that they play on this page. Moving over, we can tell at a glance that they haven't included their description. They have an area to add around 750 character description, which would allow them to include keywords that they're trying to target. And these are the low-hanging fruit on their Google Business Profile that really could help move the needle, along with a few more photos. Now, one of the cool tools that I use when I'm looking for which primary category that I'd want to use to rank for is this fun tool called GMB Plug. Now, when we use or type in Michigan DUI lawyer, what we get from GMB Plug is all of the percentages of the primary categories that other people on the front page are using. And so we can see that instead of law firm, we would have an opportunity under criminal justice attorney that is competing for the first place position on the front page. So GMB Plug counted 14 of these competitors within the results that have the primary category of criminal justice attorney, which is awesome for us because now we can see at a glance what we should be using on our profile to make sure we're within that top percentage points and that everything we're building aligns with the top competitors and what they're doing already. So apologies if that went over 90 seconds. If you're ready to increase your monthly calls and show up where your clients are actually searching, my team offers a free 20-minute audit, no pitch, no pressure, just an honest look at where you stand and what's actually possible in your market. We've done this for multiple Bay Area businesses already, and you can book directly with the link below or reply to this message with a question if something here sparked one. Either way, I hope those 90 seconds were worth it.